Next on the car list, we've got the Airlift Performance 3H system. I bought the whole kit. It comes with the brain box and have all your controls, everything. You just run a line here and then that runs to your 4 bags. It comes with 4 height sensors. We'll get into mounting those in a little while. Kind of interested to see how those are going to work. It comes with 2 444C compressors. I chose black finish just because I'm not real flat. I didn't want the trunk to be real flashy. I haven't decided whether I'm going to leave the tank natural or polish it. I do want a little flash, but not too much. The kit does not come with the bags. I already have the other 3 bags on the car. I just figured I'd set that one up there. But it comes with all your wiring harnesses. These are your 4 harnesses for the height sensors. Comes with quite a bit. I think it's 100 feet of 3/8 hose. I don't know that I'm gonna need more because this car is like 100 feet long. And I bought some 1/4 inch line, but it comes with clamps. These are your filters for the inlets on the air pumps. This is all your hardware for the height sensors. It comes with these nice rods for the height sensors. They got heim joints and they're adjustable on each end so you can get your height right. Pretty detailed instruction booklet. Comes with templates for everything, except for your mounts for your tank because that's adjustable, obviously. And it even comes with templates for mounting your height position sensors so you keep them in range. I'm excited to see how this is going to work. Once we get this on the car will be rolling, and that's a big win for me. So let's figure out where we're going to put the tank and the compressors, and we'll go from there. This is what I'm thinking on pump and tank placement, and the control box is going to be right in the back. It's nice and symmetrical looking in my opinion. This was the old filler neck for the gas tank. I'm going to take this out and smooth that out. But that way I'll be able to hide all the wires nice. You just got a ground and a power wire for each pump. The hoses will just loop in and come into the tank right here. All I'll have is a vent coming down here. That's really the only thing you'll see besides the pump lines. What I'm thinking about doing is drilling and welding a 3/8 pipe fitting right here to have a little short line directly to the air box. And then I'll be able just to take the, as you see I showed earlier, the ports. There's already a little cavity here for the old sending unit. So I can just take that out and I'll be able to run all my air lines straight through there. That way everything will be nice and tucked and you won't be able to see anything. I mean, this is all going to get carpeted and I've got to take all this glue off. But the main reason why I'm doing it like this now is so I can have all my holes drilled and everything. That way on the final assembly I won't have to be drilling holes through carpet or paint and stuff like that. Christian's putting his front control arms on, making a lot of noise. But so let's start getting this stuff mounted and then we'll get lines ran. Running the front bags to the airlines, I wanted to show you how I did it. I drilled a hole through the frame and put a grommet on it. That way I wouldn't have to fight with getting the line up through here and snaking it down. And that way, so I just drilled the hole there. And I bought little brackets that you just pop rivet to the frame and then zip tie it to it. You can't really see the brackets. And as you can see, I've got that run all the way down the frame. But when you do the line like that, I also had to drill a hole in the little spacer for the airbag, put a grommet on it, and then you just run a 90-degree fit and line goes right in there and it makes it nice and neat. But we'll walk back here to the back. And see, I kind of got a little mess here, but the back bags are pretty simple. They just come up, and then I have some more brackets holding everything in, and then that's where I cut my line. But I just have to finish the driver's side line, and then we'll wire this up and see how we get from there. All the lines are ran to the brain box now. We've got our little dryer that comes in the kit. The compressors are hooked to the tank. And then if you see right there, that's your little vent
blow off for the bottom of the tank. Alright, so we already got it wired. So I just run the wires down through the body for the compressor and the wires for the brain box. Follow the lines and then come to the battery. If you follow the instructions in the book, it's very simple to wire. This is the instructions I was talking about. I mean, it's all pictured, very nice and descriptive, and you just do what it says and it's easy to hook up. Now the cool little feature about this system, if you take and press the center button and one of the buttons below it or above it at the same time, it goes to this little screen, and you can go to operation and then go to Bluetooth pairing and turn that on, and then come to your phone and come over here, and now I can control this with my phone. So it's pretty neat. See, here's my phone. Let's see. So we are going up and down now. I still think this is really cool. Now, I have not installed the height sensors yet. I'm gonna do a whole video on installing them and calibrating them. So if you like this and are interested, like and subscribe, and we'll send you some more videos of the Lincoln here soon. Thank you for watching.